parameters are normalized, we are clear for phase 2.
Copy that. Logging the data now.
Confirming sequence start.
All right, ladies, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Steady, steady. Watch the alignment marks. We're clear. Lowering now.
See this hot spot right here? It's close to the threshold, but still within tolerance.
Okay, so we can save this as a pass then. As you can see, the finish is quite unique. It also comes with our standard 5-year warranty.
The reptilian texture is truly unique, designed for a tactile experience.
It's absolutely stunning. The finish is incredible.
And incredibly durable as well.
Yeah.
And here we are. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, this is perfect. Thank you so much.
It was my pleasure. Feel free to look around, or the exit is just over there.
Thank you so much. I will definitely be back.
Okay, hold it right there, just a fraction lower.
Perfect. Perfect. These look fantastic, especially the texture shot.
The craftsmanship is evident in this unique woven leather. It offers an unparalleled tactile experience.
It's absolutely exquisite.
Here it is, ready for launch.
The texture detail is perfect here.
Can we shift the box slightly to the left?
Sure, let me grab the tweezers.
appreciate this.
Yes.
We use a unique cold press manufacturing process,
Yes.
giving it this incredible texture.
The weight feels very balanced.
Yes.
Look at the detail on this. The leather work is absolutely flawless. I couldn't be more pleased with the result.
The artisanal journey begins with careful sourcing, transforming the raw beauty of the python into this exquisite.
I'm proud to present the first unit off the line.
Absolutely incredible work, everyone.
We are proud to finally introduce the Kronos X.
Absolutely stunning. Bravo.
We've ensured the texture consistency across all samples.
And the packaging alignment here, it looks much better.
Excellent work. We are
Approved for production.
All right, hold that focus right there. Gently pull back on the dolly. I want to see how the light catches the texture.